will explain about the job sheet. Relationship between peak and RMS value for sinusoidal waveform. So first, peak value of trace is 4 divisions. Peak voltage, peak to peak, is 2 times of peak, 2.8 volt, and peak voltage is the peak of the waveform, 1.4 volts. So multimeter, we can adjust multimeter 1 volts, and then we see at the oscilloscope we can find peak values is 1.4 volt and 2 volt RMS value. In multimeter we can see oscilloscope 2.8 volt, and multimeter we adjust it 4 volt. Then you can see oscilloscope peak values 5.8 volt. Oscilloscope can read V peak and V peak to peak, but multimeter can read vrms. So we can see oscilloscope reading for V peak is 4.2 volt, and oscilloscope reading for V peak to peak is 8.4 volt using 3 volt of multimeter. Multimeter reading vrms in 3 types waveform. Sinusoidal forms is 4.24 volts, and triangular waveform is 3.45 volt, and square waveform is 5.91 volt. It is because square waveform have large, so the volt is